This is the January 2026. Yeah, they got a lot more people buying like 150, the 150 strike, 130, but it still has a lot of like bearish sentiment on one side. But I need to check to see if that's actually full on bearish. And what I mean by that, like, if it's actually full on bearishness, because the thing is, you can own. I don't want to confuse y'all, but you can basically buy and sell calls and buy and sell puts, and that basically kind of determine how you playing it. But you can use that to kind of have like a neutral position or kind of hedge in a way. I'm gonna do some more research on that. Nvidia's coming back to life. It's been pushing on. AMD had this nice push. Nvidia has been picking up, and I've been noticing. I'm using like my assistant I was telling you guys about. There's been a large amount of money that's been getting put into Nvidia these last couple of weeks. And what's been weird about it is like when it's been happening, it's actually been times where the market's been pulling back. And I've been seeing like these large block orders going in on Nvidia. Right now, Nvidia is like facing this like tried and true resistance level at like 145 that's been fighting with for feels like forever. You see, like every time we hit this 145, 140 area, like it just keeps getting rejected. This could be the time, and if it really just breaks out right here, it's gonna go crazy. Let me see. I'm just seeing something real quick. I like to draw multiple trend lines. It kind of gives me like a better idea of like some of these like levels where you could be facing like resistance at. Super tiny. All right, so I drew this box. You can kind of see this demands this supplies on the rim. You see, we kind of like once we got around this area, this 145 to 150 level, pretty much like rejected. It's happened like once, twice, three times. We kind of got to the bottom of it, and then yeah, four times, four or five times. So we've kind of like shown that we've had resistance at this area. And you see, this actually like perfectly lines up with what we're trying to do right now. We like get right here to 145. We've been touching to like 146. We reject down. Um, was it all the way down to like 140 or 142? Let's everybody like retest this. But just so you know, like the longer you stay up under like some resistance like this, the weaker the move gets essentially. And so we're actually up to 145 in pre-market, I mean post-market. But what I look to see is if we actually hold above this 145. If we hold above 145, then I feel comfortable breaking it going towards like Let's see it breaking up towards like 150 and then so on. If we really can break 150, video go crazy. It'll be new. Let me say new highs, whatever. What was that? The highest high was up 153. So yeah, if we start breaking out above 150, let's see. Yeah, draw this so I can kind of see what price targets we'll be looking at. Oh, actually,
Whether it's an epic pool party or that road trip you've always dreamed of, whether it's the barbecue taking over your backyard or the crackle of 4th of July fireworks, the one sound that's there for every summer moment, the sound of an ice cold Coca Cola. Grab a Coca Cola and enjoy summer. Tap the banner to learn more.
When life gets ahead of your list, just tap Target. Between juggling school schedules, surprise messes, and tag team baby duty, life has a way of throwing you off.
Honey, we're low on diapers and wipes
And toilet paper.
and cat food.
But what they don't know is you already knew. With Target Circle 360 same day delivery, it's already on the way. Delivery when you want it with Target Circle 360. Just tap Target. Membership required. Subject
so
to
this one
terms
is
and
having
conditions.
like
Applies to
this
participant
isn't perfect by the way, but this just kind of give you an idea where price can go to. So if we break, like I was saying, break through that this applies on this 145, 150, it's showing like a target around like 157, and then all the way up to like 176, which actually kind of lines up like around here. So if we break above that, it's like 200, and then so on, like probably 220. Let me see. It'll be like even 270 if we get up here, and then like the ultimate target. This is if everything stays copacetic, like on track. They're targeting like 385, but that's like way longer down the line. So I'll just say short term target. I'm looking at like 175, 176. I just like to, and I get too far ahead. But yeah, Nvidia has a decent setup with them. Let me see, on the short term. We've already triggered. Honestly, we already triggered a 4 hour trigger and after hours. Yeah, because it was like the end of the day was like 144.44. No, 144.78. So yeah, we're already up 145.16. So yeah, definitely keep that eye on that for the 145 break above tomorrow or sometime. If not, if we continue to show this weakness, look for it to go to 140. If we start breaking below 140, that's when things will get a little more shaky. You can expect in the short term. And then we can start targeting like 135, 125, and so on. But your boy getting a little tired. Appreciate you guys checking in. Definitely give me a follow. I go live pretty often. Um, leave a comment or something like that. I can give you access to my free Discord, and you can also can try out my free trading agent that I was telling you guys about. It doesn't trade for you, but it basically makes you a better trader. It shows you like what risky behaviors you're taking, and also can easily give you an update on the market, whether it be news, options flow, sentiment, anything like that, and kind of gives you some actionable insight. But it's made to help you. So definitely check that out. Hit the link in my bio. Definitely follow me. Appreciate you guys checking in. You have a good night. Peace.